Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Tesco sliced carrots. I'll bring you some strange stuff, don't I guys? That's what's on the back. Well, yeah, microwave, put the full contents in 2.5 minutes. So I'm going to have a sort out of all my videos, so it's food only, descriptions and all that good stuff. Alright, so you just sling it all in. Alright, so I'm going to cook these up, put them in the microwave. I'll be back in a bit. Alright guys, cook them up. Look, yeah. So I'm going to put some on, drain these off, see what they're like. Alright guys, I'm going to try this out, just going to see what it tastes like. You know me. So I'm going to try these carrots. I'll put a little bit of salt in it. They taste really nice. I mean, there's not much flavour. They're not like something that you grow in the garden or proper carrot, but yeah, they taste really nice. They're just like every other tin carrot out there, really. But that's just with some beef that I got given. Well, thanks for watching, guys. That's just a quick look at that. You get a lot in the tin, enough for two. But as it's me, I'll eat it all up. So that's a quick look at that one. Tesco carrots. Would I recommend them? Yeah, definitely. If you can get these cheap enough, yeah, no problem. Thank you, and catch you later.